Invisible to most people, these machines lift, cut, dig, and build nonstop. You may not know their names, but you'll feel their impact. So let's begin with the kind of specialized machines you rarely see up close. And our first machine takes us straight to the field. This is a multi-rotor raking system designed specifically to lift, spread, flip, and form grass into perfectly aligned windrows. Its synchronized rotors cover a wide working width, allowing large areas to be processed in a single pass. Modern versions offer adjustable raking modes and width control directly from the operator's cab. With automated height settings and touchscreen management, the system delivers clean, consistent rows and significantly speeds up fodder preparation. For smaller jobs, versatility matters, and that's where compact grading systems step in. They mount onto cars, tractors, or even small ATVs, letting operators level ground quickly on light construction sites or private land. These mini graders come in different working widths, from narrow units for tight spaces to wider setups for driveways or open fields. Larger models pair best with tractors around 100 horsepower, but all versions are easy to adjust and require only basic operating skill. And when the job calls for lifting and moving heavy loads in tight spaces, folding forklifts offer a smart advantage. Palfinger's compact units can be transported under a trailer and deployed on-site within minutes. Once unfolded, they deliver lifting performance comparable to full-size conventional forklifts. Models like the BM214 handle loads of around 2 tons, while the larger F-Series versions can lift even more, with working heights designed for construction and logistics work. A 3-cylinder diesel engine provides stable mobility, allowing the machine to maneuver quickly even in limited working areas. For working with Formwork, precision matters. And that's exactly what the Docard Plus lifting device is built for. It helps operators move large Formwork tables safely and can be controlled by just one person. The unit rotates in place, maneuvers inside tight spaces, and positions panels with minimal effort. It offers a lifting speed of about 1 centimeter per second, with instant stopping at the desired height. With a load capacity of around 2 tons, the system significantly speeds up formwork handling while reducing physical strain on workers. Tree removal demands a tool built for force and control, and that's exactly what this rooster attachment delivers. It mounts onto tractors, loaders, and modern forklifts to pull, dig around, and even cut roots when needed. With an opening width of about 152 centimeters, it can grip and extract sizable trunks securely. A universal mounting system ensures compatibility with most current machines, and optional protection or cargo grab modules can be added depending on the job. Before a tree can be transported, its branches need to be positioned and secured, and these gripping tools make that process far more controlled. Operators use adjustable grips to hold each branch in place, while assistants tie and fasten them to keep the tree stable during handling. Manufacturers offer models suitable for trees from roughly 1.2 to over 7 meters tall. Each set includes a simple controller, allowing the entire strapping process to be completed in just minutes. Handling hay and straw at scale calls for a machine built to keep material moving without pause. And that's exactly what the Tomahawk 500F is designed for. It grinds hay and straw into a fine, consistent mix that can be used for feed or bedding. With proper setup, a single shredder can process up to around 4 tons per hour. Bales can be loaded without stopping the drum, and the system accepts both round and rectangular bales. A drum length of about 1.85 meters allows multiple bales to be loaded when needed. To operate the chopper efficiently, a tractor with at least 80 horsepower and a 1,000 RPM PTO is required. The unit is manufactured by Tigre Machinery, a company known for agricultural equipment. Behind every reliable pipeline is a weld that has to be perfect. And machines like the Basic 160 are built to make that precision repeatable. It performs butt welding on low-pressure polyethylene, PVDF, and several other compatible materials. The system helps technicians create solid, consistent joints with valves, T's, and various fittings. Its welding temperature ranges from about 180 to 280 degrees Celsius, and operating pressure reaches up to 150 bar. Designed for versatility, the Basic 160 supports pipe diameters from 40 up to 160 millimeters. On sites where every block has to be placed exactly where it belongs, a machine like this becomes the quiet backbone of the job. Combining the functions of a forklift and a mechanical manipulator, it's designed for transporting and installing curbstones, tiles, and similar construction components. The base vehicle can carry around 1.6 tons of material, while the manipulator handles loads of about 140 kilograms. With upgrades, it can work with items nearing 200 kilograms without losing stability. The arm rotates a full 360 degrees and offers a working radius of roughly 3 meters, allowing accurate placement even in tight areas. For longer concrete runs, a curb paving machine is simply the faster and cleaner solution. This type of equipment feeds, shapes, and compacts concrete in one continuous pass, producing uniform curbs with far higher consistency than manual setup. Working widths can be adjusted to match the required profile, and the forming molds can be swapped quickly to switch between curbs, bike lane edges, or sidewalk borders. A strong diesel powertrain keeps the system moving steadily, allowing long sections to be completed without interruption. In large-scale harvesting, moving material efficiently is just as important as cutting it. And that's where this specialized haulout vehicle comes in. Originally built for sugarcane collection, the machine uses a transforming frame that allows it to receive, carry, and unload crops with ease. Its design also makes it suitable for handling wood chips, silage, and other bulk agricultural materials. By combining high capacity with flexible configuration, the vehicle keeps the harvesting process flowing without slowing down the main harvester. Stubborn stumps need something tougher, and that's exactly what this attachment is for. The CK02 stump ripper uses 2 reinforced teeth, each about 90 centimeters long, built to break, lift, and loosen deep root systems far more effectively than a standard bucket. It's made from Hardox 500 Swedish steel, a material known for high wear resistance and durability under heavy impact. The CK02 fits a wide range of excavators and can be equipped with protection plates or a gripping module depending on the job. Racetracks built for high-power dragsters require a surface that's engineered, not just maintained. And that's the kind of work Mass Traction specializes in. Their workflow includes mechanical stripping of worn layers, precision resurfacing of concrete sections, and controlled application of traction compounds designed to handle engines approaching 8,000 horsepower and speeds near 450 kilometers per hour. The team uses professional high-temperature sprayers, industrial grinders, and calibrated distribution systems to keep surface grip consistent across the entire run. This level of preparation ensures that every meter of the track delivers predictable traction, allowing drivers to launch safely and maintain stability through extreme acceleration. Demolition crushers are built for one purpose: reducing heavy structural debris into manageable pieces. Mounted on large excavators, often in the 70-ton class, these attachments use high-strength jaws to break concrete walls, floor slabs, and reinforced sections from demolished buildings. The crushing mechanism applies powerful, concentrated force that fractures material efficiently, making transport and disposal far easier than moving full-size chunks of debris. For large-scale demolition sites, these crushers are essential for speeding up cleanup and preparing the area for the next construction stage.